Stay tuned to see how I achieve these two quick and easy looks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve two styles using this Cuban twist braiding hair from my local beauty supply store. Stay tuned. So this was a requested video from my Instagram page. I had created this style a couple of months back and you guys requested that I recreate this style for you, so here it is. So for these two styles, I am going to be using the full pack of this Cuban twist hair. So I am just taking off the rubber band that's in the middle there, and I'm adding my own scrunchie at the end so that I can secure it to my own hair. Now I'm not going to do much talking in this video because it's probably easier if you just watch instead of me trying to explain it all. So keep on watching and let me know what you think down in the comment section. Now I will tell you that it was definitely a struggle trying to get all of this hair through these scrunchies. I did purchase this pack of scrunchies from my local beauty supply store. Do not purchase the ones at the dollar store because they will break. And the worst thing that you want to do is go through all that trouble trying to get all of this hair through the scrunchie and then it breaks. So make sure you get a good pack of scrunchies. Now you can make as few or as many sections as you want with this style, just depends on the look that you are going for. So now that I have all of my sections done, I'm going to go in with this gold string that I also got from my local beauty supply store, just to add a little touch to it. So I'm going to go around each section about 2 to 3 times until I get down to the end of the string. Now I'm going to go in with a few gold hair accessories just to add a little more dimension to this style. And this part you can either do or skip. Again, it is up to you and the look that you are going for. So this entire style literally cost me less than $10 to $15. This is including the hair and the accessories and the gel that I use to put my ponytail up. Oh yeah, and the scrunchies. And here is my final look with style number 1. This shirt, yes, I know it is dope. I'm gonna leave the information in the description box for this shirt. This was made by a friend of mine. So for style number 2, I'm just going to take this same hair piece and I'm just going to wrap it around in a quick little cute bun. So I'm just adding some hairpins to make sure that it stays in place. Another quick and easy style. And here is style number 2. Let me know in the comments which one of these styles you like the most, style 1 or style number 2. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.